Wait,
Nah,
is
you
this
can
your
see,
dead
bro
boy,
is dead
bro?
already. Nah, bro is dead. Nah, bro, he's cooked for sure, bro. It's so cramped in here. This is proof that I'm here. See, I'm here. Oh no. The cat is there. Okay. I'm getting in. Oh, it's so cramped in here. Oh my god. Guys, it's so cramped in here and I have no escape. And I'm under the table, so, and I can't get out. I can't get out. Oh my god, it's cramped. Very cramped. Guys, help me escape. Like and subscribe. It's so cramped. Ow, Hey, today guys, in another video, we're going to do something just wait a freaking minute. How can it start wrong?
Kevin! Kaibigan ko. Naalala mo ako? Oo, ikaw.
Okay, those that, those, you know. Okay, after that,
Anong ebidensya? Napakalino naman ang nangyari. Tignan mo, oh. Tignan mo itong skid mark. Maiksi, pero napakalinaw. Ibig sabihin, mabilis na takbo ng motor. Hindi nila alam na tatama pala sila
better
dito.
drawing.
Mukhang may gumalaw sa barrier, kaya sila na-aksidente. Siguro, ang tansya ko, nasa 50 to 60 kilometers per hour takbo nila. Ang trajectory kasi talaga nito paakyat eh. Kaya may tumilapon. Siguro yung bata. Itong babae, siya yung nagdadrive. Hawak niya yung manibela, kaya siya nakaladkad. Ganun.
Guys,
Ayun naman panin. Sandali lang.
Hello? Pakinggan na lang muna sa dito, pinipigil sana yung mga patay.
okay, sus, M. Yay!